True that still. But hope you travel straight and narrow.
Why that me I try for doing nothing. But it look like said trouble a follow me everywhere me go.
Trouble a follow you. Or you just come like a magnet we seem for just attract trouble all the time.
Believe me, you know. I tell you say coming like say me salt everywhere me go.
You ever hear them say bad luck was on hope ya? Maybe you need a sea batter ya.
I know kid, you see right now. No really before I even want to hope ya man. You get this your bad luck now.
Well, before you reach the Wobia man, where really are going now? Where you did it?
So the place up at Yuatan, and it caused the falling out between me and Carter.
Where do you call that words?
Yeah.
Well, you know says a Wallace. And as far as me see, you look like them the business straight bad man.
King, I learned that the hard way. I mean, I tell you, say, it could have worse.
So, what really go down between you and him?
I get the place through a link, you see. And then Carlton draw some bad card and take the place from me.
Yeah, that sound like a Wallace to you.
King, the man freeze me account. The man plant drugs at my yard. The man send him police friend them for harass me. And go search up the place to find the drugs.
Trevor, you see the business where you in is a dangerous business. But somehow you don't strike me as a dangerous man.
And when him got all out to try destroy me, I realize that we can't match up to him.
So, I didn't put the shot in your phone.
Yeah, you know. I tell you, say, still spare my life.
So, it look like the Wallace them have a heart after all, or is it that them just like to see people suffer?
You too, you know, King. You could have killed me too, you know. But you spare my life. And right now, I just want to do the right thing.
Well, you're on the two of a good side now, so what's the problem?
Carlton give me back. Call the tours to manage. See? And one like a policeman come link me and want me to inform upon him. It's like he want to take down Carlton. So right now I don't know what to do.
Inform upon him? Like, tell him what you know about Carter?
Not really. He want me to watch him and report.
Well, it look like this man out to turn in a snitch full time. But at the end of the day, that is a law matter. So why you come to me?
I just want to know if you know him. And see if you can give him a talk.
So, why you feel say me that no police on that level?
I don't know anything. I just don't want to betray Carlton again. I just want to focus on the place here and manage it proper.
But so say you try to do the right. So, you're going to show me again. But a policeman, what him name?
Savage. Raymond Savage.